Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aging and you are watching me from the Philippines. For my today's video, I'm going to share to you the benefits of doing mowing. Actually, I already uploaded a video on this matter, but I would like to repeat again this topic and to share to you some of my thoughts. So please watch me. How do I learn mowing? I only learned mowing last year. Actually, my daughter is the one who introduces to me about the proper positioning of the tongue. She went to her dentist, and then when she comes home, she explained to me about the benefits of the proper positioning of the tongue. But she doesn't mention about the word mowing. So my daughter said, "Mommy, do you know that the proper positioning of the tongue?" I said, "No. My dentist told me that the proper positioning of the tongue can benefit your face and can improve your jawline." So I said to my daughter, "Wow, really? It was amazing news. And if I will do that, I will become more younger looking. No need to go to the dermatologist, or no need to apply some of the facial cream that will enhance my cheekbones." So that's it. I browsed the internet about the proper positioning of the tongue, and from then I have learned that the name was mowing. What is mowing? Mowing is the proper positioning of the tongue. And what are the benefits Of course, I already learned it from my daughter, but the internet also specified the benefits of doing moving. It realigns our teeth, it defines our jawline, it shortens our face, and it makes our face look slender. This is also amazing because the dentist is advising my daughter to do that. So I think it is effective. So I'm sharing to you this topic to please practice mowing. When you practice mowing, it will change a lot on your face. Makes you look younger, slender face, realign your teeth, and improve your jawline. So guys, if you benefit from my information, please subscribe on my channel, hit the notification button so that you will be notified on my next video. And you can help me by liking my videos, and if you have questions, please comment in the comment box and I will answer all your questions and suggestions. So bye, and always remember, aging is just a number, nothing more. Bye.